Good morning, students. So in last lecture just we had discussed about Ampere circuital law and its application. And using Ampere circuital law we had already derived the formula for magnetic field due to a very long wire. And what is the formula for magnetic field due to the long wire? Already we had derived B is equal to mu 0 I divided by 2 pi r, where I is the electric current passing through the wire and r is the distance from the wire. And in today's lecture we are going to derive the formula for magnetic field due to a long solenoid, okay, using Ampere circuital law. But what is solenoid? A helical coil of, helical matlab spring like structure, a helical coil of insulated conducting wire, a helical coil of insulated conducting wire is known as solenoid. And solenoid is used to produce a uniform controlled magnetic field. Magnetic field is produced by conducting wire, but if you want to produce uniform magnetic field, controlled uniform magnetic field, then we are taking the help of solenoid. When length of solenoid is very large, then it is known as long solenoid. Okay, inside a long solenoid, intensity of magnetic field remains constant and outside it remains zero. सोलिनॉइड के अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कांस्टेंट होती है सब जगह पे और बाहर जीरो होती है. ओके, सपोज दिस इज अ लॉन्ग सोलिनॉइड एंड magnetic field inside a long solenoid remains constant and outside it remains zero. Okay, and now using the Ampere circuital law we have to derive the formula for magnetic field inside a long solenoid. Chalo, how to get this? So using Ampere circuital law, so you all know that what is Ampere circuital law? Ampere circuital law, close integration B dot dl is equal to mu 0 IC होता है. Ampere circuital law is equal to किसके बराबर बेटा? कि close integration line integration B dot dl is equal to mu 0 IC. Mu 0 IC means the total electric current enclosed by the Ampere closed loop. So here in solenoid we are taking a closed Ampere loop A B C D. कौन सा? A B C D is the closed Ampere loop. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, तो क्लोज इंटीग्रेशन कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? फ्रॉम A to B, B डॉट dl प्लस B to C, B डॉट dl प्लस C to D, B डॉट dl प्लस D to A. B dot dl is equal to, अब what is the value of mu 0 IC? IC कितना बेटा? IC मतलब इतने से पोर्शन के अंदर कितना इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है. सो उसके लिए you have to take mu 0 small n, the length of the loop is L multiplied by the current I. Okay, तो यहां पे what is small n? Small n is the number of turns per unit length. So उसको थोड़ी देर में लिख लेते हैं. चलो अभी इसको IC रहने देते हैं as it is. तो here as shown in figure, कि यहाँ पे close integration from B to C, B dot dl is same as integration from D to A, B dot dl is equal to 0. Why it is 0? Because magnetic field is perpendicular to the displacement, and when we are having the two perpendicular vectors, the dot product is 0. Similarly, integration from C to D, B dot dl is also 0. Why? क्योंकि B हो गया 0 बेटा आउटसाइड. आउटसाइड अ सोलेनॉइड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज 0. तो ये तीन पार्ट 0 हो गए, B C C D C A. तो B to C, C to D and D to A, line integration B dot dl is 0. So now what you have now? तो left hand side becomes integration A to B, B dot dl becomes B multiplied by L. क्योंकि अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सेम है, बी और डीएल इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, एंड cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0, cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री। देयरफॉर तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हमको कितना मिला बेटा, BL। ओके, तो इन दिस मैनर जस्ट यूजिंग द एम्पियर सर्क्यूटल लॉ वी हैड ऑब्टेन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू BL। नाउ फॉर राइट हैंड साइड, now right hand side is equal to mu 0 IC, so we have to find out the value of IC. So for that we have to define one parameter, small n, capital N by L. This is number of turns per unit length, it is number of turns per unit length. So therefore एक small n एक parameter, तो number of turns in length L, that is become n into L, and each turn carries कितना current, I current, and each turn carries I current. So therefore the value of IC becomes total number of turns in the length L and each turn carries current I. So IC is equal to NLI. So therefore the right hand side become mu 0 small n L into I. Now comparing, left hand side is equal to right hand side, which implies BL यहाँ से is equal to mu 0 NLI, तो L cancel from both the sides and we get a formula B is equal to mu 0 NI। तो यहाँ पे ये फॉर्मूला बन गया एकदम छोटा सा स्मॉल फॉर्मूला, B is equal to mu 0 NI, and this formula is used to determine the, किसको डिटरमाइन करता है बेटा यहाँ पे, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग सोलिनॉइड, mu 0 NI, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू डिटरमाइन। तो फिर से एक बार देखो, तो यूजिंग एम्पियर सर्क्यूटल लॉ वी हैव डिराइव्ड द फॉर्मूला फॉर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग सोलेनॉइड। तो दिस इज अ लॉन्ग सोलेनॉइड, इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग सोलेनॉइड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट एंड आउटसाइड इट रिमेन्स 0। तो यूजिंग एम्पियर सर्क्यूटल लॉ, लेंथ ऑफ द क्लोज्ड लूप A to B, B C C D D A, okay, A B C D B C C D and D A, that is equal to mu 0 IC। तो कौन कौन से टर्म्स, B C वाला पार्ट, C D वाला पार्ट, D A वाला पार्ट बिकम 0 because B to C D to A परपेंडिकुलर on outside है, इसीलिए it becomes 0। ओके, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आपको कितना मिल गया बेटा, B डॉट DL। अगर डायरेक्टली नहीं आप नहीं लिख पा रहे तो क्या लिख लोगे यहाँ पे, इंटीग्रेशन A to B B DL cos थीटा में थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री और cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, B तो कांस्टेंट है बाहर आ गया, A to B DL, the length of the this part A to B is equal to L, तो BL first and the second that we had already obtained here। okay, तो just simply first and second, left hand side is equal to right hand side, L cancel from the both the side, okay, and we obtain the formula B is equal to mu 0 NI। okay, I hope you can able to understand, go through this video one or twice। Have a good day।